now to focus on the head of state, and President Uhuru Kenyatta met Prime Minister Teresa May and sought a pact to guarantee Kenyan exports access to the UK market on a duty-free, quarter-free basis after the country exits from the European Union. At a landmark meeting at number 10 Downing Street, President Kenyatta also spoke strongly about strengthening bilateral relations with Britain and closer security cooperation, especially in regard to Somalia. President Kenyatta arrived in Britain last night to attend the third London conference on Somalia at the famed Lancaster House. The president will meet Prince William at Buckingham Palace tomorrow.
Okay.